My mama did my makeup. We was just playing around. But
Did you read the story?
I don't know what that is. Okay, so YouTube. Today is Saturday and my hair looks a mess. But I'm finna get it braided. I'm finna get it done. And let me turn this video down because I'm watching YouTube right now. And I sound sick. Which is, I'm not sick. It's just my allergies is messing up. But how can I look good even looking ugly? Like, but I didn't record Friday because yesterday I wasn't really feeling good. So I just slept mostly all yesterday. After I got out of class and did my work, I must have slept because I didn't really feel good. But I did record Thursday because my mama did me some makeup. We was just playing around and she put makeup and stuff on my face and I recorded it and showed y'all. And that was Thursday. Friday didn't record because I didn't do anything. So I didn't record because, you know, y'all know I normally start up my intro on Fridays and then record after the day. But I just got done washing my face because it gotta be clear, honey. And I'm at home right now, but I'm leaving to go to my cousin's house because I'm finna get my hair and stuff braided. I don't know if I'm gonna be over there for the whole weekend. I don't know yet. But today I'm not really doing much. I gotta take pictures because I got some pants and some shorts that I have to, you know, show off in, model in, whatever y'all want to say. I got a model off in it, so I'm taking pictures in my pants and in my shorts today. I already got my outfits and stuff ready. So when I get my hair done, I'm like, you know, I probably do a get ready with me so y'all can see me. I'm gonna give y'all a sneak peek because when the pictures drop, y'all gonna be like. But I'm gonna catch y'all when I'm at my cousin's house or whenever I'm getting ready to take pictures. So yeah. Oh shit. Yep. Okay, so y'all, this is the outfit for today. It's a little bit exclusive, but and I'm finally at my cousin's house. I got my wig and stuff on, and I'm taking pictures and shit. I'll go outside and take. I gotta shave on them up. I gotta shave on them armpits. Hope ain't nobody looking at me. But yeah, it's the natural lightning, not so natural. Oh, the sun will come out as soon as I'm done taking pictures.
You want to text above?
I need to shave my under my arm. I look good. Okay, so y'all, I'm at my cousin's house and hold on. And I just got done taking pictures. I took pictures and the pictures that I took, baby, they were exclusive and they dropping. So get ready for them. That's all I'm saying. But we finna turn up though. Peace out. Here I come.
What you like? Who's on because you're not in there? What you like to play on?
I was trying to make it look natural like this. I'm gonna be back at y'all. Right now, everybody getting ready type stuff. But I'm gonna change and put on my pants because y'all, these is too.
Oh, girl, don't.
Y'all, these is too exclusive. Like my butt cheeks out. So I'm gonna put on my pants. Let me get back at y'all. So yeah. Okay, so y'all, now my cousin taking pictures. I let her with my wig and stuff. And look, we got look at But I changed shorts. This didn't. Oh, I look good. Period. So we finna go outside. Oh my! I don't like how my armpits looking right now. But we just got done listening to music. Cause we was getting ready, so we was listening to music. Destiny, turn around.
Ali, you need a book. She don't want nobody.
She vlogging too. Destiny, that's me. Y'all get in the camera.
Hey. I gotta put on my
She finna do her hair. Yeah. We finna take the kids outside.
Ali don't want to wear no button. She don't want to wear no button.
Well, anyways, I'm gonna get back at y'all. Cause. If I say I got you. When it's fucked up, it get fucked up. Just hold it down and keep it silent. And when I'm around, let's take your name. I won't let a nigga talk about you. We eating these wings. This we eating. I don't like honey. I like boneless buffalo.
I get some hot sauce, friend. What? You know what a black person wants.
My slap bag off.
Oh wow. That's her dreams, y'all.
I'm a damn sure be woke when I do it.
What hot sauce?
What's your hot sauce?
It's the bathroom.
Huh?
I'm gonna take my son to the bathroom.
Alright. I'm gonna get back that sauce. Okay, so YouTube, today is Sunday. I'm gonna show you everybody. Look at her. She editing her video. This the fit. Look at these motherfuckers. And yeah, we finna get ready. We finna listen to music. We finna take these little ones outside. So, another streaming home.
Hello.
Tell her stuff beside the door.
It's beside the door. You smile.
So I'm eating wings right now again. This phone about to die. Bitch, girl. I was outside all day. Girl! Okay, so I'm finally at home. I just left my cousin's house and today is Tuesday. I've been over there for like 4 days, I say. And I'm eating Sonic. I got 2 new outfits. I got this swim. Yeah, I did not like how this looked on me, so I deleted the pictures I had in this. Like, but yeah. I got this from Charlotte Roots, a small. And it's really just like a jumpsuit. I'm gonna wear these with like some black heels. So yeah. And I got this colorful jumpsuit that I'm most definitely taking pictures in. And it just go like this. Don't mind my armpits, cause I need to shave anywho. And it's like, yeah, it's like the outfit I had. Y'all gonna see when I take pictures in it. Because I'm doing me a portfolio anyway, so I need to get a lot of good pictures. And it just got the little booby thing with my stomach out, and then it just zip at the back. So yeah, I just been really at my cousin's house chilling, doing schoolwork, and we just haven't been doing it. That's why I haven't been recording, because we haven't been doing that. We really been working, listening to music, eating, and outside. Basically, we haven't really been doing that. Okay, so yeah, right now I am taking pictures, and this is the look out. Don't mind my toes, but I'm taking pictures. But yeah, I'm taking some pictures. So yeah. Okay, so YouTube, I know y'all can't see me, but I'm ending off the vlog because I'm not gonna be doing that. And I'm finna start up a new vlog, so I'm ending off this one. I'm finna get this edited and uploaded. But I know y'all can't see me, but I hope you guys liked this little short mini vlog. I didn't really do much, but yeah, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.